Hello everyone, welcome back to another video and welcome back to Mitaki YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you Channel iCopy Plus 2.2 Plus newest version of box. We just received the new stock in our store. We're gonna open this box and we're gonna check together what is inside now. Okay. We have a new box in here. Okay, this the version is look like same, but we have new board inside of it. Let's open up too. First of all, I'm going to show you Channel 2.2 version plus. This is the new version of Channel iCopy Plus. You can change the language by clicking the right button twice, and it's English now. We have display touch board. It's like before, same sport models, and also we have a lightning sports in here. And we have a new battery board 1.5 version and supporting 14 series battery. It's very nice. When you're putting, it's just start to work. Now it's supporting latest models of battery from 6 to 14 PM series. And also before we have a video about the Face ID board, which is this one. Let's open up together again and try it with the new Channel iCopy Plus. Inside have one power adapter and we have one nice box of Face ID. This is the Face ID board supporting from the X to 14 PM series. And it's just start to work. That's it. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next one. We will have a new video about another products, so please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and if you have any question, please leave in the comment. We're gonna answer all our customers' comments. Thank you again. See you in the next one.